Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with the morning announcements. Good morning, Joya.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm pretty good.
All right. Well, something else that's really good is this new flag from Harper in the first grade. Check out what she sent in.
Wow, how pretty.
What do you think she used?
Maybe I just see little blocks. They're cool.
Yeah, like little cubes. Got a bunch of different colors there. She's got her stars and stripes. She's got the pole. I like it.
Totally
Thank
looks like
you,
a
Harper.
flag.
Joya, lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
Place your right hand over your heart and begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right. Thank you to Harper in the first grade. We really appreciate you sending us in that awesome flag. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Today's May 18th, 2021. Again, highs in the 70s. It's really been great weather for really like the last 2 weeks, huh, Joya?
Yeah, it's been great.
Hey, Joya, are you a Harry Potter fan?
No, not really, but I have a lot of friends who love it.
Okay. So, we've been celebrating Heritage Month, and for all our Harry Potter fans out there, did you know that Daniel Radcliffe, who plays Harry Potter in the Harry Potter films, is Jewish? He's Jewish on his mother's side.
Cool.
Tell us a little bit more about him there, Joy.
He is one of the best known actors in the world, which is why we are celebrating him during Jewish American Heritage Month. Daniel considers his Jewish and Irish heritage to be central parts of his identity.
That's right. And so today we salute Daniel Radcliffe from the Harry Potter films for Jewish American Heritage Month. Joy, I know it's not Friday, and usually we do our Unity Fair Family videos on Friday, but I've got a special one. We're going to show 2 this week. So I want to do one today and then one on Friday. And let me cue it up. This is from the Beck family, and they're going to be taking us on a trip to Korea. Have you ever been to Korea?
No, I've never been to Korea.
All right, well, fasten your seatbelts. Here we go.
Annyeong, my name is Landon, and I'm in 3rd grade at Carpenter. I will tell you about our family trip to Korea. First, we took a 12-hour flight and landed at Incheon Airport. We took our break in Songdong near the airport and went on a monkey boat. There were lots of animals to see, like deers and bunnies. Then we drove down to Buyo to meet my grandmother who lives in Buyo. Buyo used to be the capital of Korea 1,000 years ago when it divided into 3 countries. We blew some bubbles and watched the beautiful sceneries in the countryside. After that, we enjoyed shopping and visiting water parks at the Lotte Resort. Then, we drove to Busan, played in the sand, and walked along the beach with my uncle. Of course, we made sure to play with Legos at the Kids Legos Cafe too. Who can live without Legos? In Korea, we like to do activities like going to the museum, learn about Korean history and culture. One interesting fact is that 40% of world's doleums, a type of ancient tomb, is in Korean peninsula. We played tuhu, shooting sticks into the pots, decorated and learned to shoot archeries, and got to play with traditional Korean tops. But what I enjoyed the best was playing with Flower in the kids' cafe. We went on hiking trips and explored nature. In the trail near Serak Mountains, we spotted wildflowers, a snake, which is quite amazing, and 2 frogs, which my brother thinks is really amazing. That's it. Thanks for watching my video.
And that is from the Beck family, their trip to Korea and highlighting their Korean roots. What'd you think, Joy?
That was super cool.
He did the beach scenes kind of look like somewhere in California, didn't it? Looked very similar.
Yeah.
I like that spinning top game. Did you see the lady that she had like a stick and then had the spin?
Yeah, it looks really fun.
Oh, I would love to play with that spinning top. So big shout out to the Beck family. Thank you much for sending us that in. Joya, today is Tuesday. You wouldn't happen to have a Tuesday tongue twister, do you?
I do. I have one.
Okay,
So, it's red roses for Ruby, red rubies for Rosie.
okay, here we go. Here we go. Count them. I'm gonna try to do it 5 times fast as I can. Here we go. Hold it up. Keep it straight. Here we go.
Okay.
Ready, go. Red roses for Ruby, red rubies for Rosie. 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 5 times. There is your tongue.
Okay. I want to try it.
All right, try it, Joe.
Okay. Red roses for Ruby, red rubies for roses. Red roses. Red roses for Ruby, red rubies for Rosie. Red roses for Ruby, red rubies for roses. Right? It's hard.
That is a hard. You got to make those hard R's. That is the Tuesday tongue twister, everybody. Thank you, Joya. And now it's time for the words of wisdom. Today, boys and girls, let's talk about kindness. To be kind means to be nice to other people and to help them when you can. Listen to these words about kindness.
If there is any kindness I can show or good I can do, let me do it now, for I shall not pass this way again.
Remember this, you will experience each moment of your life only once. Yesterday is gone, but today you can make the most of every chance you get to do some good in the world.
Show people random acts of kindness. Be good to yourself and to others. You'll be glad you did.
With something to think about, this is Mr. Martinez.
And Joya.
Make it a great day.
Or not.
The choice is yours. Joy, you got a big day planned for school today?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, make it great. And I will see you tomorrow for the morning announcements.
Bye.
Bye.